Your CRM isn't your system of record, it's your system of excuses. Every RevOps leader I talk to says the same thing. We're not getting clean data out of our Salesforce. And they're right. But here's what nobody says out loud. The data isn't the problem, the workflow is. Your CRM was built to track what happened after humans did work. It was never designed to orchestrate the work itself. So what happens? Your reps update it manually, your ops team builds workarounds in Zapier, your compliance team screams every quarter. And your pipeline data is always 3 days stale. Here's the number that stopped me cold. A mid-size enterprise with 400 salespeople loses an average of 11 hours per rep per month to workflow friction that their CRM creates, but cannot solve. So do the math. That's 4,400 hours a month. 100 man days. Gone. The fix isn't a better CRM. It's a governed orchestration layer that sits underneath your CRM and tells every identity in the workflow, the rep, the manager, the partner, the counterparty, the agentic AI, exactly what to do in sequence with rules that actually hold. And then presents that information where it needs to be. So this is the pattern I've been building for 18 years. Not a CRM, not an integration tool. The substrate layer that makes your stack, whatever it is, actually executable. The companies I work with don't replace their CRM. They stop being owned by it. Actually, that statement isn't correct. Most of them end up using our visual layer to present their CRM the way they like it. And that's what's special. If you're a RevOps or SalesOps leader and you recognize this pain, drop me a comment. Tell me, what does your team spend the most time working around in your CRM?